Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about OnDeck. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. OnDeck Small Business Loans is a prominent name in the realm of small business financing, offering a variety of funding solutions tailored to meet the diverse needs of entrepreneurs. However, as with any financial service, there are both advantages and limitations to consider. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the strengths and potential drawbacks of OnDeck small business loans to help business owners make informed decisions about their financing needs. On the positive side, OnDeck Small Business Loans provides accessible and convenient online access to financing for small businesses. The application process is straightforward and streamlined, often resulting in rapid approval and quick access to funds. A standout feature of OnDeck Small Business Loans is its flexibility. They offer various financing options, including short-term loans and lines of credit, allowing businesses to choose the option that best suits their specific needs. This flexibility is valuable for businesses. For managing different financial scenarios, OnDeck is also known for its lenient lending criteria, making it accessible to businesses with less than perfect credit. This inclusivity can be a lifeline for businesses that may face challenges securing financing through traditional banks. Moreover, OnDeck Small Business Loans provides a transparent fee structure, helping businesses understand the costs and terms of their financing. This transparency is highly beneficial for business owners seeking clarity and predictability in their financing. However, it's essential to consider the downsides as well. One limitation is that OnDeck Small Business Loans fees can be relatively high compared to traditional loans, and businesses should be prepared for the cost associated with convenience and accessibility. Another drawback is that OnDeck Small Business Loans financing options may not be suitable for businesses with long-term financing needs. They primarily offer short to medium-term solutions which may not align with the requirements of businesses seeking larger and more extended loans. In conclusion, OnDeck Small Business Loans offers a user-friendly and accessible financing platform for small businesses. Its flexibility and inclusivity are strong selling points, but business owners should be mindful of the cost associated with these advantages. So that's basically all about OnDeck. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.